What is up, my dudes? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel, and today I'm going to be creating a fun little summer look. I'm going to be putting watermelons on my eyes. Now, I got this idea from somebody off of Twitter, and I tried to find the source of the photo that I have stored in my phone that I'm referencing, but I cannot. It is lost in Twitter. I cannot for the life of me find it. And I don't want to show this person's photo without their permission, so I'm sorry you don't get a preview. So I'm going to be using the James Charles palette from Morphe because that has all the shades that I need right in one convenient palette. There are some other alternatives that I have in my collection are by Juvia's Place. The Zulu palette has a really nice red you can use, and the Afrique palette, I think that's how you say it, that one has a really nice green you can use, and both mattes. So that being said, let's jump in and get started. I already have tape on my face because we're gonna get some crisp, clean lines here, hopefully. Now what I'm gonna start with, I did not do a very good job of planning this out. Okay, so how I'm going to start is with the shade Daddy in the crease, that's the darker green, with a fluffy crease brush. Okay, now I'm going to take another fluffy crease brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade Social Blade on top of Daddy, around the outside a bit. Now I'm going to take a smaller blending brush to blend everything together. And then I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape concealer to cut my crease. Okay, before that sets too much, I'm going to be using the shade, I think this is You're Kidding. What am I doing? That is the red one right there. You're kidding. I'm going to spray down my brush. Got a little packing brush here. A shader. Because I want this to be pigmented. We're just gonna start packing that red on there. Now I'm leaving a little bit of a streak because the reference photo that I'm using has a white line there. Okay, now I'm gonna do my under eye. I got two little detailer brushes here. I'm gonna use a smaller one to put the shade Daddy underneath my eye, and probably also on my waterline. So I'm gonna start with this on my waterline, and I'm gonna bring it a little bit onto my lower lid. Okay, and then with my little bit larger of a detail brush, I'm going to go into Social Blade again. And I'm actually going to put that right over Daddy so that it kind of blends out the darker shade. Alright, I'm going to use a teeny tiny little eyeliner brush and Jeffree Star's Drug Lord to line my crease. After drawing that line, I'm gonna take my brush that I went into You're Kidding with, use that to clean up my line a little bit. Okay. I don't have the crispiest, or cleanest lines in the world, but I'm pretty satisfied. It's cute. Now we just gotta add some seeds, and I'm gonna use my Golden Gatsby Live Wire liner to add some little seeds. Okay, let's take off the tape. Reveal how crisp these lines are. Yes! Okay, I dig it. I really dig it. Okay, let's put some mascara on. Of course, I'm gonna go with my Kush mascara by Milk Makeup. This is my go-to. I love it. Ooh. I want to put a little touch of something else. I'm gonna take my smaller, I think this is like a smaller bullet crease brush. And I'm gonna dip into the shade Literally, which is the one right next to You're Kidding. It's this sort of reddish shimmer shade. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my inner corner. Just gotta spray my brush for this one. There, that adds a cute little pop of color on, what am I saying? Adds a nice little touch on the inside. Now what to do for highlights? I'm gonna go summery, and I'm gonna use my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Summer Snow Cone. That's this yellow one. I'm gonna take a smaller, fluffier brush, dip into that. I'm gonna put it, tuck it in under my brow bone here. My brow bone under my brow. Then I'm going to take my fan brush for putting it on my cheekbones. I'm going to turn down my lights so that I can see my highlight better. Then I'm going to top it off with Money Honey. That bad boy. With my finger. Now for lips, I'm going to use Jeffree Star's Red Rum. Alright, here are watermelon eyes. I like this result. I'm pretty proud of this. I keep learning more about my own skill every day. Not every day. I don't do my makeup every day. Okay, there's an ant crawling around my beauty room. first it was on my ceiling over there, and then it was on my lights over there, and now I don't know where it is, and I just want to smack that little bastard with something, but I can't get at it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this little experimental tutorial of watermelon eye makeup. And if you are looking for another summery theme, how about a pride theme here? And have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Have a good one. See you in the next one.